Greetings, ladies. Let me fill you in on something that is horrible to have to tell you about, but you need to know. Pornography is a gigantic cancer that is completely decimating millions of families, millions of Christian families all across this country. It's something that we have to take extremely seriously. You're thinking, okay, pornography, yeah, that's probably a bad thing for my husband to be viewing pornography. All right, I get that. No, it's not just kind of a bad thing. It is potentially disastrous for your man, for your marriage, for your family. Let me tell you how this thing works. And counselors will agree with this because they're hearing these stories over and over and over again. What happens is a man starts out viewing pornography, and for most men, they have to keep on chasing this like buzz that they get from the sexual arousal of pornography, and they need to ramp it up. It has to get a little bit more perverse to continue to give them that same buzz, that same sexual arousal. So what started out as maybe soft porn becomes hard porn, and then that isn't enough anymore. And so pretty soon they're viewing things that they never ever dreamed they would be viewing. Bestiality, children engaged in sexual acts. I mean, it's just horrific. But it doesn't even stop there. For millions of men, it goes beyond that because that doesn't even give them the same arousal that they once had. And now they take it out into the real world. They commit affairs. They commit indecent acts. They get arrested. I know of Christian men who have been arrested. Christian men. And it started, if you trace it all back, it started with pornography. We have to take this seriously. It is a potentially disastrous problem for you, for your household, for your family. What are the signs of a possible serious problem with pornography for your husband? Well, a couple of common signs would be that he no longer seems very interested in having sex with you. That's a possible sign. Another possible sign, he tends to want to come to bed after you every night, or maybe he leaves in the bedroom in the middle of the night and comes back an hour later. Another possible sign, and again, these are not exclusive. I mean, sometimes there are other explanations, but these are just common signs. One other one would be that he's asking you to do increasingly bizarre or unusual or even perverse sex acts yourself. Those are some signs. If you have those signs in your marriage, it's time to confront your husband. Not as an enemy, but as his helper. Genesis 2:18 says we are our husband's helper. So confront him in love, respectfully, and as his helper. You need to be aware of this problem.